Heaven for Sale. Once sitting on the bank of a river and playing with mud, Bahlul was constructing small houses and gardens. At that moment, Zubaydah, the wife of Haroon, happened to pass nearby. She asked what he was doing, and the reply given was that he was building houses in heaven. "Would you sell to me?" inquired Zubaydah. "Why not?" replied Bahlul. "What is the price?" she asked. 100 dinars for each house," said he. Thinking that it would be a sort of help to the poor and insane Bahlul, Zubaydah asked her servant to bring the money which she paid to him. The same night she dreamt seeing a fabulous palace in heaven with beautiful Huriya in it. They told her that this palace was the one which she had bought from Bahlul. Zubaydah, on waking up in the morning, related the dream to her husband Haroon, the caliph. Upon hearing this, Haroon sent someone with 100 dinars to Bahlul, with a request to sell him a house in heaven. Bahlul smiled and said that Zubaydah had purchased without first seeing or knowing, whereas Haroon wanted to have it after coming, to know about its true existence in heaven. Therefore, he would not sell to him.